Hey, good morning, people. Good morning, America. So, today's project, it's a customer with a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. This vehicle came in with a no start condition. The ignition wouldn't turn on, and you will have almost no communication with anything on the scan tool. We asked the customer what was going on. They said they replaced the evaporator, for the AC, and did something on the instrument cluster as well. But I noticed that somebody was fiddling around here. They replaced these connectors. Looks like the vehicle missed the communication, lost the communication, and what they did is just to replace both connectors up. I found the problem. Right now, the bus is sitting at 62 ohms. That's the CAN bus, CAN high, CAN low, high speed. Not the internal, but the high speed, the one that the transmission goes on, the ECM, and all the important stuff on the vehicle. Look what happens to that resistance when I connect this on the bus. Let me just prep it here so you can see it. I'm gonna prep it here. Let's see what's up. Just bear with me. Look at that. Now you have low resistance on the bus. This is with the battery on. This test should be done with the battery off. With the battery off, you will see that resistance goes down to 3 ohms. Let me disconnect the battery for a second so you can see what's going on. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Disconnect the battery. Right. All right. Okay, so right now you have 60 ohms. All right, and let's go ahead and prepare this and connect it. See what's going on with that. See how it goes down? And it will go down more. That's the issue with that. When you have that connected, of course, there is no battery now.